Hi guys, Jeremy Solt here, and what I've got is my custom. This is a Freewing AL37 modified into an E7 Wedgetail. This airplane is now going on about 4 years old, and it's showing its wear, but it's been pretty fun doing this. And what I've done to it is I've actually shortened the back fuselage and estimated about 3 inches off the back end, and then I took an inch and a half out of the front. And so this whole fuselage has been glued back together and modified and all that. And then there's a little bit of yellowing going on in the front there, and that's because of using Minwax. Those people that say that Minwax doesn't yellow, well, there's proof right there in the pudding. But anyway, so again, this is based off the Wedgetail. It's an Australian-based radar array system so far, but it looks like the United States Air Force is actually going to get several of these to replace the E3 AWACS of the century. And so what's going to happen is they're going to get these similar type airplanes. It's going to be really cool to see to complement the actual radar early warning system. So again, this is a custom airplane. It's fun. You won't see this anywhere else. I don't think anybody else has done one of these, so this is one of. And we're going to fly this in.
It's
So, that being said,
he did also have to replace the steering servo. Alright, I'm gonna get behind it. This should be a cool shot. Let's find out. Boom!
Alright, you ready?
Yep! Whoa, buddy! Alright. Let's get off the runway here. I'm shooting in 4K, so I don't want to zoom way in. He's coming back around. Nice. Okay, well, he's making that next pass. I'm gonna get closer to him. Nice, nice. Ooh, the wind's picking up. Sorry for anybody using headphones. I'm trying to block the wind the best I can. I don't want to go full 15x zoom because it kind of just gets choppy because we're using 4K. But the 5x optical is pretty sweet.
flies really well, even with all the mods. Alright, let's do it from the mountains. Get that look.
See him way, way out there. Look how cool that thing looks.
Definitely different.
Where are you gonna try and set down, by the way? It's a lot of wind. I bet that thing is just a big sail in the wind, huh?
That's not bad.
When you're cross.
Full throttle.
Ooh, holy buckets! That thing is screaming, Jeremy. Wow.
Do one pass real quick up high. See if it looks like it's fairly real.
I mean, you can't tell right now from the digitized 4K 15x zoom. Let's hit the 5. Get a nice shot here.
All right, let's get this gear down. Let's bring her on it.
I'm not in your way, right? Beautiful.
There you go, the E7 Wedgetail flight.
Man. Oh! Nice flight, sir.
It's fun. I like it. I like doing the different airplanes.
Right?
I had to replace the noseable steering servo with the E-flight servo that I had in the box. And it's not doing so great for the steering, but...
Look at that thing. Man. Nice.
Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.